Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Rispoli with Functional Nutritionist Academy. I'm very excited about my new course that I'll be launching with regards to GI disorders called Mastering Gut Health. This is a 12-week course that is specific for health care practitioners that are interested in learning more about integrative and functional medicine concepts, as well as diagnostic testing and therapeutic diet protocols. So that's treatment and diagnostic testing for some of the most common GI disorders. So I'll be covering topics like leaky gut, SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, to biofilms, as well as candida and parasitic infections, to H. pylori, as well as dietary issues that often come up in clinical practice, designed to help you as a practitioner decide if a person needs to be on a SIBO diet, a gluten-free diet, a FODMAP diet, a carbohydrate-specific diet, or perhaps a GAPS diet, or a modified elimination diet for allergies. I'm also going to go into detail about the importance of the microbiome and balancing the GI terrain. You will learn how to choose which specialty lab tests to perform and how to interpret them for some of your very most invasive and difficult patients. You'll learn how to gather information from these specialty tests to aid you in determining the proper treatment protocols. You're going to learn very quickly how to put it all together. So you'll be given tools like assessment intakes, questionnaires, and how to ask specific questions after the assessment intake to narrow down the root cause. Because that's what functional nutrition is. It's root resolution medicine, getting to the root of the problem. Each lecture is set up not only to cover lab tests, but talk about specific clinical scenarios that you're going to encounter in your practice, and then apply them through a functional nutritionist standpoint. I'll be talking about botanicals, natural antibiotics, antifungals, antiparasitics, and other supplemental protocols, as well as antibiotics and antifungal medicine, because it's important to know when to use what. Now, as part of this program, you'll receive supportive material such as templates, fillable assessment forms, questionnaires, done-for-you treatment protocols, articles about various chronic health issues that you can brand and use in your practice, as well as lecture notes, slides, and key takeaways to keep you on point and help you excel in this very exciting field of functional nutrition. You also have access to a private daily forum of healthcare practitioners to post questions and lab tests on a daily basis. So daily questions and answers to help you. Mastering Gut Health is a standalone lecture series, and it can be applied if you take the 12-week course, which is the Mastering Functional Nutrition course. Now, you're also going to receive 2 bonuses. Bonus 1, you're going to learn about my 6 hidden weight gain factors. Now, I didn't develop this overnight. It developed out of every aspect of my life in my clinical practice, spanning my entire career over 27 years. And of course, in treating many of my patients with stubborn weight issues. So the model of calories in, calories out is seriously outdated. And the first hidden weight gain factor has to do with fat-forming bugs in your gut. And you're going to learn about them in this course. Now for your second bonus, you're going to learn how to defeat biofilms, a serious health risk affecting the entire body and especially your gut. And until now, they were untreatable. This value-packed information I've put together for you was gathered from 27 years of clinical practice. It's presented in a manner that's easy to understand and quickly integrate into your practice, so you can help more patients, family, and friends solve their stubborn health conditions. As a doctor of clinical nutrition, acupuncturist, and colon hydrotherapy IACT instructor in clinical practice for 27 years, I've helped thousands of patients solve their chronic gut issues using functional nutrition, systemic bowel and body detoxification programs, allergy elimination diets, as well as various specialty diets, because sometimes that's what's necessary to help the patient balance their body and their microbiome. You'll also learn how to help clients integrate diet and lifestyle changes necessary to resolve their chronic health conditions. This is an area where you can excel because most chronic health conditions have a root in the gut and in diet and lifestyle choices. Medical doctors are not taught this in school. So I hope you find this information valuable and decide to join a growing community of health-minded individuals using patient-centered medicine to solve chronic epidemic across the globe. To learn more, watch my webinar at the bottom of my website, functionalnutritionistacademy.com, on the home page. Look around the website, read more information there, but if you have any questions, please contact me. And again, this is Teresa Rispoli of functionalnutritionistacademy.com, Mastering Gut Health Lecture Series. I look forward to interacting with you there.